So today is the 6th day of the main LeetCode 30-day challenge, and the problem will be majority element. So we are given an array of size n, and we want to find the majority element, where the majority element is defined as the element that appears more than floor of half times. So basically we can assume that array is non-empty and the majority element always exists in the array. So the solution is pretty straightforward. You will obviously come up with a linear time and linear space solution via the order map, where the key is the element in nums and value is the frequency of it. So first, we simply iterate through the nums array, and we calculate the statistics of each element in nums, and we then iterate through the order map again and find the majority element, which is defined by happened more than floor of number size. And because in C or C++, the division is defined in the floor form if it is in the integer division, and we then simply return result. The second solution to this problem will be still in linear time but optimized to the constant space. So this algorithm is called Boyer-Moore majority vote algorithm. So this algorithm can find the majority element, and it can be solved in linear time and constant space. So how do this work? So simply we can first initialize the majority element to be the first one, and then as we see the same element during the iterating through the array, then we can increase its counter. So for example here, the counter of the blue circle is increased, and if we see the counter of the element which does not belong to the majority element, say the blue circle here, then we simply decrease its counter. And then if the counter is decreased down to 0, then there is another candidate for the majority element. For example here, because we use two red square to cancel out the yellow star, so the frequency of the red square will definitely be greater than or equal to the frequency of the yellow star. So the red square can be the next candidate for the majority element. So we simply first initialize the result as the first element of the numbers, and then iterate it through the array. Z. And then if if the element is equal to the majority element, then we simply increase its counter. Else, if the counter is not 0 or is greater than 0, then the counter can be decreased. Else, we simply assign the new majority element to it, because we now find the new candidate for the majority element. So result equals to new candidate. Which is nums I. Okay, and this is the second solution for today's problem. And thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.